KJW CZ2, Orange para kay Sir Patrick John, going to Davao del Norte. So i-QC natin yung unit. So OOTB naka-upgrade na siya. In comparison with the color blue and UG na shadow, kung ano ilalagay mo doon na upgrades, yun na yung nakalagay dito. Okay, so test natin. So you guys, yung spec, ayan, magka-flash sa screen natin. Check nyo na lang. And ayan, test natin. Firing. Okay. So guys, CZ2, Orange. Next naman ay titest natin para kay Sir Dane, going to Pampanga. So yung kay Sir is the EMG Island Barrel. So 2011 Combat Master TTI John Wick 3 Island Barrel version. So yung spec niya guys, magka-flash lang din sa screen. So test natin ng unit. So kasama yung license card niya guys, ayan. And then magazine capacity is 30 rounds. Firing. Okay.